So today's topic is trend with WK list. So it's a part 13 video about programming fundamental. So this is the link of our channel, you can subscribe. List. The list is a collection of strongly typed objects that can be accessed by index and having methods for sorting, searching and modifying list. It is a generic version of the array list that comes under system collections or generic namespace. So this is the basic syntax of list. So let's make a project. So here you can make a list. So you can add here list. Apply here for each loop. So you can run here, you can check the value. The list value is 10, 20, 30 list iterations. So you can make another class as well. So you can use it as a class. So you can access these properties here. So this is the list. You can add list properties values into this list. So this is the way you can define the values and after that you can iterate it. Same this for each loop. You can run it.